Very statement politics which has escalated, where multiple leaders in the opposition are coming out to admit that they are Dimagi Naxals and are proud to be one. Let's in the meantime take a look exactly when it comes to former Chief Minister of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir and PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti has to say she has posted a photo of the Prime Minister and her late father, and she says that I support Article 370 and I am a Dimagi Naxal. So Mehbooba Mufti now coming out with this picture to portray that I stand in support of the reinstatement of Article 370, which gives a special status to Jammu and Kashmir. However, that has now been abrogated, and now she says that I stand against the government, but I stand with Articles 370, and then, therefore, it makes me a Dimagi Naxal, and I'm proud to be one. We just saw, as far as P. Chidambaram, more opposition leaders also coming out openly to declare that they are Dimagi Naxals. Let's, in the meantime, also talk about TMC MP Mahua Moitra, because she too has now come out with the admission saying that she is a Dimagi Naxal as well. So let's put out her post as well, because this seems to be an admission back-to-back that is now coming in from the opposition side. And here is what she says: I'm a Dimagi Naxal. All cockroaches by definition are. Proud Dimagi Naxal. That seems to be a hashtag that they want to, spread and to circulate. But that seems to be the growing declaration. Sabya, good morning. That is now coming in mainly from the opposition side, saying that they are proud to be called as Dimagi Naxals. And also, one by one, they are coming out to say that they oppose the government and they are proud Dimagi Naxals.
Well, absolutely. See, more of the opposition leaders are coming out in support, and they are calling that they are proud Dimagi Naxal. See, yesterday, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiran Rijiju had clarified that the Prime Minister did not call the entire opposition as Dimagi Naxal. What he meant as Dimagi Naxal was the people who were in favor of the separatist movement. They were in favor of not removing the Article 370, and also people who demanded that the chicken neck should be separated from the country, and these people were called Dimagi Naxal. Now, after Mr. P. Chidambaram, several of the opposition leaders are coming out in support of it, whether it is Mehbooba Mufti or Mahua Moitra. They have extended their support, and they are calling themselves as proud Dimagi Naxal. Now, what narrative that the opposition here trying is to set is that back in 2019, when Rahul Gandhi had called Prime Minister as Chaukidar Chor hai, now several of the BJP MPs and BJP leaders had used the tagline that "Main bhi Chaukidar hoon." Now, after that, the BJP had used this political insult as their political gain. Now, similar tactics are being adopted by the opposition leaders, and more are of the leaders are calling themselves as proud Dimagi Naxal.
So, explanation that has also come in from the government's part, exactly what the Prime Minister meant. But right now, any comment or any term that has been coined by those who are in power, in a way, it is now being capitalized by the opposition, and such when it comes to the CJPs or the Cockroach Janata Party. But let's, in the meantime, put out how the BJP has been saying, especially from Kiran Rijiju, that this remark was not aimed at the opposition party leaders, adding that the term Dimagi Naxals refers to individuals who support Maoism, reject the constitution, back separatism, or even attempt to isolate Northeast India.
Quote unquote, Rahul Gandhi कहते हैं, we don't need to sing वंदे मातरम. पहले तो राहुल गांधी जी, ये कोई गाना नहीं है, ये भारत के स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों का उद्घोष है. पर ये मानसिकता कांग्रेस पार्टी की है, जिसको हम दिमागी नक्सल कांग्रेस मानसिकता कहते हैं. जिस मानसिकता में इनको वंदे मातरम का विरोध करना होता है, जिस मानसिकता में पी चिदम्बरम अपने आप को प्राउड टू बी अ दिमागी नक्सल कहते हैं, क्योंकि हिडमा जैसे नक्सल आतंकवादी का समर्थन कांग्रेस पार्टी करती है, बिकॉज देयर हार्ट डज नॉट बीट फॉर द कंट्री, देयर हार्ट बीट्स फॉर फ्रिंज फोर्सेस.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने तो कहा था जो नक्सलिज्म खत्म हो गया, लेकिन कुछ दिमागी नक्सल मौजूद हैं. जब ये बात कह दी तो उड़ता तीर कांग्रेस ने पकड़ लिया. उनको लग रहा है कि वो तो हैं ही ऐसे, क्योंकि एयर स्ट्राइक पे सवाल उठाना, सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक पे सवाल उठाना, चाइना इंडिया के रिश्ते में भारत की ज़मीन चाइना ने ले ली, ऐसा दुष्प्रचार करना, भारत को दुनिया के पटल पर जाकर बदनाम करना, ये तो कांग्रेस की आदत है. हरकत तो नक्सल वाली ही है, लेकिन अच्छा है कांग्रेस ने स्वीकार कर लिया कि नक्सली सोच वो रखते हैं.
कोई चीज है तो वो आंकड़ों से दिखती है। परसिमन से ज्यादा बेहतर है कि हमारे देश की सीमाओं की सुरक्षा हो, और जो नक्सल, आतंकवाद या विदेश नीति में जो असफल हुए हैं वो तमाम तरह की बात करते हैं।
Prime Minister did not explain what is Dimaghi Naxalism. He should have explained it. Objects and implementation, two different things. Object of Naxalism was to fight against the exploitation of working class, against the exploitation of farmers, implementation of land sealing, and to protect forest and mines. What is wrong in it? Chidambaram ji has rightly said, everybody will support these objects. Before addressing the nation, Prime Minister should have explained his intention.
So we saw the rise of the Cockroach Janata Party, and now it seems parallelly there is a Dimaghi Naxal Janata Party that seems to be gaining a lot of momentum on social media. So let's put out exactly how their Instagram page looks like now. However, the CJP on their part have raised an objection saying that their account multiple times has been suspended, but this is a new account already having 132k followers, and this is now coined itself as the Dimaghi Naxal Party, and which has amassed thousands of followers on Instagram and over 6,000 followers on X. But the main idea, because Sabyasachi, the momentum that has now been gained on certain words, an ideology or a terminology that has been used to actually, take it in a way that they seem to project over what had happened at Jantar Mantar, over examination irregularities, over what the CJP now says that educated young people are being loosely branded as Dimaghi Naxals merely because they are just raising questions over the government, against the government. So what are we now looking at? Every word that will be picked up from those in power, and a new, satirical political party would be formed?
Well, exactly. It seems the pattern is like that. After Cockroach Janata Party, now we see that in Instagram, a new political party has been formed, which is called the Dimaghi Naxal Political Party. Now, this strong reaction also have been coming in from different political parties as well as other people who saying that time and again, if you object to the central government, if you are being called Andolan Jivi, or you are being called Urban Naxal, or you are being called Dimaghi Naxal. Now, the opposition is going to put a counter narrative to this particular aspect. We have already seen that several of the opposition parties, irrespective of their ideology, they are coming out in support of Mr. P. Chidambaram, and they are putting the fact that they are proud Dimaghi Naxal, despite the fact that the central government has clearly clarified that exactly what Prime Minister Narendra Modi meant when he called Dimaghi Naxal. But the opposition is not impressed with the clarification that has come in from the central government and Parliamentary Affair Minister Kiran Rijiju.
More importantly, it's to be seen as far as if these satirical pages do continue to put up and amassing thousands of followers on their Instagram pages, but what happens to the very core issue that they seems to be raising? Is it now getting blindsided? Because that seems to be the very point there, over urban Naxals now to Dimaghi Naxals. But who is now going against the very ethos and the values of the Constitution? This is something which the BJP today is posing that questions. Thank you, Sabya, for that update. For our viewers who want to catch the news on the move, well, Times Today has you covered. The all-in-one OTT streaming platform, which is developed by the Times Network, uniquely blends premium digital video entertainment with real-time news broadcasting. So you can catch your favorite news channel on Times Play, available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.